A duplicate query is a query you can create to find duplicate values in a table or query. For example, I'm going to look at my order details table. I've got a field here, the product ID, that it's duplicating the values. So every time we sell a product, this product ID is being duplicated. What I want to do is I want to find all the duplicates here and count them up into groups. So get a total for all the product ID 1, product ID 2, product ID 3, and so on, whatever I got. That way I can go ahead and find out which product ID we're selling the most of, and perhaps increase production for our more popular products, or maybe do a marketing blitz. So to get started, let me go ahead and close out. Come up here, click on the Create tab, go to the Queries group, click on the Query Wizard, and there it is, Find Duplicate Query Wizard. And it says this wizard creates a query that finds records with duplicate field values in a single table or query. And as you know, a query can not only be based upon one table, but 2 or more tables if you need to pull in more fields. Go ahead and click OK. And which table or query do you want to search for duplicate field values? Well, it's going to be our order details table. Double click, and then it'll ask which fields might contain duplicate information. Just one here, it's the product ID. Double click. You can add more, but want to keep it simple. Click Next. And it says, do you want the query to show fields in addition to those duplicate values? No. Click Next. And then it says, what do you want to name your query? We can add the 3-letter prefix QRY and then leave it as is. Click Finish, and not only does it give us the numbers, the product ID, but also the total count of this product ID here, 1. We got a total of 19. Of course, it's not sorted. We can click on the drop-down arrow and sort smallest to largest. So let's see, which product ID are we selling the most of? It's number 3. 28 we've sold so far. Now, if I don't understand the product ID, I don't know which product it's tied to, then you can right-click, go to the design view, and you can see how Access put this together here, this query, and we can go ahead and add the products table. Come up here, click on Show Table, double-click to add products, close out. We want to see the name of the product, double-click on that, click Run, and there you go, product. So now I can say, okay, the product number 3 is screen tint. You may want to click on the column header for product and then click and drag that over so it's right next to it, and then you can see the totals here, or click around, whichever way works best for you. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos, and for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.